Yes, so now we've started. Now you can begin. Can you begin with this? A thankful person is thankful under all circumstances, please. Usha ji?
Yeah, start.
Yeah, you start from the beginning.
Okay. A thankful person is thankful under all circumstances. Baha'u'llah, 1817 to 1892, Persian founder of the Baha'i faith.
Yes, सो कृतज्ञ व्यक्ति सभी परिस्थितियों में कृतज्ञ होता है. A thankful person is thankful under all circumstances. You know what? We are actually building a muscle in the practice of gratitude. हम एक मसल
Hmm.
बना रहे हैं ग्रैटिट्यूड की प्रैक्टिस में. एंड समटाइम्स आई गेट सो अमेज्ड दैट एवरी चैप्टर, हर चैप्टर जो है इतनी अच्छी तरह से स्ट्रक्चर बनाया हुआ है. जैसे हमारा कल का चैप्टर था, द इनविजिबल मैनेजर इज देयर विद अस, राइट? सो
Yeah.
व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग द assignment, when I was with the presence of my invisible manager, there were moments जब मुझे लग रहा था कि हर हर मोमेंट आई एम थैंकफुल. कुछ कुछ कंप्लेन करने का कुछ है ही नहीं. एंड दिस चैप्टर इज टेलिंग अस टुडे, a thankful person is thankful under all circumstances. Be it anything, आप हमेशा कृतज्ञता में रहते हैं. और ये हमें एक्चुअल में ग्रैटिट्यूड, ये आज का चैप्टर जब हम पढ़ेंगे, जब हम आगे जाएंगे, it is actually taking us to a higher level of gratitude. You will understand how. Let's read. Please read. Continue reading.
Can you explain? यदि कोई हमको मारे तो भी हम कृतज्ञ रहेंगे.
We'll come to know. You'll get your answer as you read the chapter. The chapter will tell us. We'll take the
Okay.
questions at the end of the session. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Whether it's a relationship in turmoil, financial pressure, a lack of health, or problems in a job. Negative situations arise because of a lack of gratitude over a long period of time. If we are not grateful for each thing in our life, we are intentionally taking those things for granted. Taking things for granted is a major cause of negativity because when we take things for granted, we are not giving thanks in return and we stop the magic happening in our life. Just as giving thanks to others will always lead to our life magically increasing, so must taking things for granted always lead to our life decreasing.
Yes. So हम अपने अपनी लाइफ में देख सकते हैं कि हम कैसे, किन सर्कमस्टांसेस में, अपने डेली लिविंग में हम क्या हर चीजों को, कैसे हर चीज, कुछ चीजों को, हर चीज नहीं तो कैसे हम ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं. जैसे यू नो वी व्हेन वी स्टार्ट आवर डे, तो हम जब बाथरूम में जाते हैं तो पानी तो आ ही रहा है, तो इसमें कौन सी
Hmm.
बड़ी बात है, पानी तो आने ही
Hmm.
वाला है. जब हम बाहर निकलते हैं तो दूध वाला दूध रख के गया ही है. सो वी टेक फॉर ग्रांटेड. एंड हमने कभी भी ऐसा सोचा नहीं कि वी पे आ ग्रैटिट्यूड. हम जो भी हमारे साथ, जो भी लोग हमारे लिए काम कर रहे हैं, उनको हम, उनके लिए हम कृतज्ञ हो. हैव वी एवर थॉट स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स वी कैन
No.
टेक इन आवर लाइव्स. अभी आप जैसे सुन रहे हैं वैसे आप सोच भी सकते हैं. यू कैन विजुअलाइज which are the small small things. So for, somebody cooks for us, somebody gets the vegetables for us, जितना भी घर को ठीक रखने में जो भी काम हम करते हैं, whatever things we are doing in our daily day to day life, who is doing it for us? There's so many people who are doing it for us and we take it for granted. So if I have to go for my job, and I actually I have to go in a car, or in Mumbai we go in a train, or or any private vehicle we use. So it takes a lot of effort for so many people to bring us to one particular situation in our lives. Yes, anybody,
Yeah.
you all can think for yourself any other example which is coming in your mind in your day to day life as we go ahead and read the chapter. Yeah, please continue.
Are you grateful for your health when it's good? Or do you only notice your health when your body gets sick or hurts? Are you grateful for your job every day? Or do you only value your job when you hear there will be cutbacks? Are you grateful for your pay or salary every single time you receive it? Or do you take your pay or salary for granted? Are you grateful for your loved ones when everything is running smoothly? Or do you only talk to others about your loved ones when there are problems? Are you grateful when your car is working well? Or do you only think of your car when it breaks down?
Yes. So, are we resonating with whatever we are reading? That जब हमारे लाइफ में जब कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आती है तभी हम उसके बारे में बात करते हैं, या फिर जब हमें हमारी लाइफ बिल्कुल अच्छे से चल रही है तब हम कृतज्ञ होते हैं, तब हम ग्रेटफुल होते हैं. What is it? So the book, the author is telling us, Rhonda Byrne is telling us that just look at yourself. It's trying to tell us that look within. हम क्या कर रहे हैं जब हमारी सैलरी कट होती है, जैसा कि इस लॉकडाउन में बहुत लोगों के साथ हुआ था. तो तब हम उसकी वैल्यू समझते हैं, या जब हमें पूरी सैलरी मिलती है, जब हमारी गाड़ी में कोई एक somebody कोई टक्कर भी लगा देता है ना, कोई स्क्रैच भी आ जाता है ना, then we understand the value of a car. Or when it's completely working fine, when it's shining, उस समय भी हमें क्या, do we feel grateful about our car? Are you grateful for your loved ones when everything is running smoothly? Or do you only talk to others when your loved ones about your loved ones when there are problems? So just answer it to yourself. Each one of us, let us answer for ourselves कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, और हम ऐसा कर रहे हैं तो क्या हो रहा है हमारी लाइफ में. प्लीज रीड.
Are you grateful to be alive each day? Or you take your life for granted? Taking this for granted results in complaining, negative thoughts, and words. So when you complain, by the law of attraction, you must bring more things into your life to complain about.
Already done in the previous chapters and on day 1 also, that whatever we give, it comes back to us. The circle is started by us only. So it's not necessary कि आपने जो दिया है वो ही मिलेगा, but it might come in a different form. So अगर आपको किसी ने थप्पड़ मारा है तो आपको ये इंटरेस्ट देखना होगा कि आपसे क्या गलती हुई है, चाहे कोई और अलग तरह की गलती हुई है. That's why you got a slap. Yes, how we'll understand more ahead.
Yeah. If you are complaining about the weather, the traffic, your boss, your spouse, your family, a friend, a stranger, waiting in lines, bills, the economy, the cost of something, or the service of a company, you are not being grateful and you are pushing your dream life further away with every complaint.
हाँ, तो हम अपनी लाइफ में देखते हैं, हम सब अपनी लाइफ में देखते हैं हम क्या करते हैं. Whenever we are talking, two friends are talking, or whenever we call somebody, what is the content of our conversation? हम क्या बात करते हैं कि ऐसा हुआ मेरे साथ, अरे क्या बताऊं, इतना ट्रैफिक था कि मैं पहुंच ही नहीं पाया टाइम से, अरे क्या बताऊं कि द इकोनॉमी आजकल क्या हो रहा है, क्या किया है हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने, व्हाट हैज हैपेंड. Instead of talking what all good the person has done, we always talk about what is not good. Okay, so हम always void से start करते हैं, एक खालीपन से start करते हैं, because so when we start from a void, we can't go up and we again come back to the void. तो अगर हम मैनिफेस्टेशन से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो हम घूम के वापस वो चीज मैनिफेस्ट कर सकेंगे अपनी लाइफ में. अगर हम पॉजिटिविटी से स्टार्ट करेंगे, सो कॉन्शियसली आपको करना है. इसीलिए कल का चैप्टर, यू नो व्हाट इट वाज, दैट यू हैव टू full day, an entire day you had to talk about whatever things you are grateful for to your invisible manager. So you get into the habit of talking good things. And so every moment, whether you are conversing with your spouse, whether you are conversing with your friend, whether you are conversing with your health, anything, whether you are standing in the line to pay the bills. So we'll understand how, if supposing there's a big queue, you are going to pay your bills now, so everything is online. So there'll be a reason, you have to find a reason कि इसमें भी क्या अच्छाई है, जो हमारे सामने ये सिचुएशन है, जो हमारे सामने ये पर्सन है, उसमें अच्छाइयों को ढूंढना है. कैसे हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now you understand.
Now you understand that complaining, negative thoughts and words, and taking things for granted stops the good things in your life. Now you understand that when something goes very wrong, you have unintentionally not been grateful enough. It's impossible to be negative when you are grateful. It's impossible to criticize and blame when you are grateful. It's impossible to feel sad or have any negative feeling when you are grateful. And the best news is that if you have any negative situation in your life currently, it won't take a long period of time to transform them with gratitude. The negative situation will disappear in a puff of smoke, just like magic.
Yes. So जो भी, अगर हम कोई भी नेगेटिव सिचुएशन में है, आप अपने दिमाग में सोच सकते हैं, आप कल की तारीख में, yesterday if you were in a negative situation, or day before yesterday, just think of it right now, just visualize and see that जैसे ही आप उस नेगेटिव, पहले तो कंप्लेनिंग शुरू हो जाएगी, because that is, we are still in the habit of complaining, which is very natural, we can do it. अगर वो हमें हेल्प कर रहा है तो we can still continue doing it. Otherwise, if we want to experience something new, तो हमें उस नेगेटिव सिचुएशन से कुछ अच्छी चीजें निकालनी है. रिमेम्बर, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डेलिबरेटली डू. पहले हमें जानबूझकर करना है, एंड देन यू विल नोटिस दैट द माइंड इज enjoying what is happening, and the negative situation will disappear in a puff of smoke. जैसे एक स्मोक का पफ हम देखते हैं, वो within seconds it disappears ना. So it's like magic. कैसे डिसअपियर होता है, वैसे ही हमारे लाइफ की जो नेगेटिव सिचुएशन है, उनको अगर हम पॉजिटिविटी में, उसको उसमें से कुछ, अगर हम पॉजिटिव, कुछ लाइट अगर उसमें से हम निकालेंगे, तो दैट विल डिसअपियर फ्रॉम आवर लाइफ. यस, प्लीज रीड अहेड.
First, as difficult as it may be, You have to look for things to be grateful for in the negative situation. No matter how bad things are, you can always find something to be grateful for, especially when you know that your gratitude will magically transform every negative, every negative circumstances. Walt Disney, who knew about the true magic of life, showed us how to do this in his movie Pollyanna. Disney's 1960 movie Pollyanna featured the Glad, Glad Game,
Glad game.
which had a profound effect on me when I was a child. I played the Glad Game featured in the movie Though My Childhood
Through
and
my childhood.
Though My Childhood and Adolescence Adolescence. To play the Glad Game, you look for as many things as you can to be glad about, especially in a negative situation. Finding things to be glad about or finding things to be grateful for in a negative situation make the solution appear.
Yes. So our first assignment for today is watching this movie, which is it's an English movie, but we all can understand that. अगर आप सुनेंगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. It's about a girl called Pollyanna, whose parents have she's lost her parents at a very young age. She's an orphan, and उसके बाद में वो अपने मासी के घर रहने जाती है. And initially, although her masi is quite well off, she mistreats her. उसको सोने के लिए छत में भेज देती है, and a lot of things she does to her. And the whole movie tells us about how Pollyanna searches for reasons to be grateful and how she is happy. She says, I'm glad about. So whatever situation is she's in, she always says, I'm glad about. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. And so let's also play this game today, and you can play with your entire house. You can play, first see the movie, and then you can start this game. And intentionally, she used to find things even in that situation. जिस situation में वो थी, उसके parents नहीं थे, then she was staying at someone else's house. In that situation also, when she was mistreated, she found things that she was happy for. Glad means another word of happiness. It's actually one step ahead of happiness. When there are no bounds for your happiness, there is no boundary, you feel very, very happy. So this is a beautiful movie. We all can see this movie today, and we'll talk about it tomorrow. Yes.
Yeah. Walt Disney demonstrated the magical power of gratitude in Pollyanna. And thousands of years earlier, Buddha demonstrated the way to use the same magical power when he said, let us rise up and be thankful, for if we didn't learn a lot today, at least we learn a little. And we didn't learn a little, at least we didn't get sick. And we go sick, at least we didn't die. So let us all be thankful. Gautam Buddha, 563 BC to 483 BC, founder of Buddhism.
Yes, so हमने सब गौतम बुद्धा का नाम सुना, and this is so beautiful what Gautam Buddha has written so many thousands of years back. He says, आइए उठें, rise up, and he's actually, just feel the vibration of every word. There's so much truth in every word. Let us understand what Gautam Buddha is saying. आइए उठे and be thankful for all we didn't, for if we didn't learn a lot today. चाहे हमने आज कुछ नया नहीं सीखा, तो भी हमने थोड़ा तो सीखा. We learned a little. And if we didn't learn a little, अगर हमने थोड़ा भी नहीं सीखा, तो at least we didn't get sick. हम बीमार नहीं पड़े. And if we didn't get sick, at least we didn't die. It's so beautiful. अगर हम sick नहीं हुए तो भी क्या हम at least we didn't die. हम मरे तो नहीं. So let us all be thankful. So it's so beautiful that from where let's rise and be thankful to again let us all be thankful. You know, again and again ये एक ही चीज अलग अलग तरीकों से this book is trying to tell us that the only way how to live our life is to be in that mode of gratitude. And how do we do that? Different ways. Every day we are learning some other way of doing it. And still if we don't do, then I don't know, we actually have to just take a first step, the second step, the third step, and all the steps will follow on their own. At least take a first step. So at least rise. It's such a beautiful word. Let's rise. आइए हम उठे और be thankful. Yes,
Yes.
please
Yes.
read ahead.
Let Buddha's words be your inspiration, and today take one problem or negative situation in your life that you most want to resolve, and look for the 10 things to be grateful for. I know it can be challenging to begin this practice, but Buddha is showing you the way to do it. Make a written list of 10 things on your computer or in your gratitude journal.
Yes, so I hope everybody is with us. Everybody is able to understand what the author is trying to tell us. जो ये बुक हमें बता रही है कि आपको एक अपनी लाइफ से एक नेगेटिव सिचुएशन चूज करना है, आपको उसके ऊपर फिंगर्स डालने हैं. एंड जस्ट सो कुछ जो भी नेगेटिव सिचुएशन जो आपकी लाइफ में जो आपको बार बार याद आ रही है, या आपको ऐसे ही समथिंग हैज हैपेंड इयर्स बैक और उसे आप निकाल नहीं पा रहे हैं, उसको आप रिजॉल्व करना चाहते हैं, तो देन जस्ट टेक दैट नेगेटिव सिचुएशन और डेलिबरेटली फाइंड आउट सम रीजंस दैट यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर. उसमें से क्या अच्छा निकल के आया, व्हाट आर द रीजंस दैट यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर, एंड यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग. सो इनिशियली शायद आपको कुछ एफर्ट लगेगा, but then it will start flowing. Maybe आपको कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा, पर आप जो आए जैसा आए आप लिखते जाइए. We have been in the practice of gratitude since last 6 days and we know how it feels when we write what we are grateful for. Yes, we'll understand how the author is beautifully described कि एक situation से हम कैसे पॉजिटिविटी निकाल सकते हैं, एक नेगेटिव सिचुएशन से हाउ can we take and how many things can we take the positivity out of that situation. Yes.
As an example, your problem might be that you are out of work, and despite your best efforts, you are still unemployed. To magically turn this situation around, you have to do a concentrated practice of gratitude on the situation. Here are some examples of what you might say.
Yes, so my invitation to all of you is please listen to these examples very attentively. Whatever you're doing, अगर आप और कुछ कर रहे हैं, अगर साथ साथ में सुनते सुनते अगर आप और भी कुछ कर रहे हैं, तो my request to all of you is that please be with yourself and listen to whatever is coming out of this negative situation wherein you are unemployed. आपकी जो जॉब है वो चली गई, एंड मेनी ऑफ अस हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस in during the lockdown, that whatever we were doing, we were out of it. There was no employment. हमारी जॉब चली गई, हमारा बिजनेस चला गया, उसमें से हम क्या निकाल सकते हैं, ये हमें ये बुक बता रही है. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट ऑल द बुक इज टेलिंग अस. यस, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
I am so grateful to have had more time for my family during this period. I am grateful that my life is in a lot better order because of the spare time I have had. Third, I am grateful that I have had a job most of my life and that I am experienced. Fourth, I am truly grateful that this is the first time I have been unemployed. Fifth, I am grateful that there are jobs out there and more new jobs are appearing each day. Sixth one, I am grateful for all the things I have learned in applying for jobs and in going for interviews. Seven, I am grateful that I have my health and that I can work.
Yes, so this what are these points telling us? To change our focus. हमारा जो ध्यान उस नेगेटिव सिचुएशन में है, तो उस समय हमें अपना फोकस चेंज करना है दूसरी तरफ. So there are two sides of a coin. Okay, so one side of the coin, and if you keep on looking at that one side of the coin, वो आप उसी उसी को देखते रहोगे तो आपको वही वही दिखता रहेगा, right? So when you just flip, जब आप कॉइन की दूसरी साइड को देखने लग जाएंगे तो आपको वो दिखेगा. So whatever you want to see, you will be able to see. That is how we have to find positivity in a negative situation. Yes, number 8.
Number eight, I am grateful for my family's encouragement and support. Nine, I am grateful for the rest I have had because I needed it. 10, I am grateful that though I am grateful that through losing my job,
Through losing my job,
through losing my job, I have realized how much having a job means to me. I had never realized that until now.
amazing, amazing, amazing it is, na? Yes, all of us.
Yeah,
कैसे
yeah.
हम कैसे एक जब you can imagine when a person is without a job, there is no inflow of money, तो क्या क्या महसूस होता होगा. बट उसमें भी so many positivity is there, so much positivity is there, so many things came out of it, na? So like that we have to take things from our life also. And believe me, after you have written down those 10 points, जिसके लिए भी अगर अभी आप कुछ नेगेटिविटी महसूस कर रहे हैं, there is something, you're feeling little bad about that thing, जब आप लिखना शुरू करोगे और जब आप लिख लोगे पूरा, then आपके you will be in a completely different situation. आपकी mind, आपकी body, everything will start experiencing something else. पर कैसे वो हमें experience करना है, because this whole book is about experiencing. अगर हम खाली पढ़ के और सुन के छोड़ देंगे तो हमें कुछ महसूस नहीं होगा. वी वोंट बी एबल टू फील एनीथिंग. लेट मी टेल यू दैट जो मैजिक हमें अगर महसूस करना है, तो हमें इस दुनिया में अगर हमें स्टेप करना है इस मैजिकल वर्ल्ड में, ये फीलिंग की दुनिया है. हमें एक्चुअली अपने आप को फील करना होगा. खाली पढ़ के और सुन के वी वोंट बी एबल टू एक्सपीरियंस एनीथिंग. Okay, so for my invitation to all of you is please find out a time for yourself. इसमें मैं बता दूं, इसमें थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा, because so take out 1 hour for yourself today, no matter whatever you are whatever you are busy in. Just take out 1 hour for yourself today and sit down to write. Just switch off your cell phones, no messages, no phone calls, and tell everybody that I don't want to be disturbed for another 1 hour. And then sit down in a quiet space. If you feel that in your house, you won't be, there'll be a lot of disturbance, आप एक park में जाके बैठ जाइए, या sit in a cafe and just take your notebook and your pen and take out a situation in your life, whatever is coming at that time, and start writing. And tomorrow, I would invite all of you to share your experience tomorrow after doing the assignment. Yes, no, is everybody ready? Is everybody
Yes,
ready?
yes,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
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 Everybody, please. I want to hear a yes. Want to hear more yeses.
yes,
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Lovely,
Yes.
lovely. Yeah, now only if all of us can mute ourselves and the reader will unmute. Yes, please read. So there's one more example which the book is telling us, and it's so beautiful. Just here. Yeah.
as a result of the unemployed person's gratitude, they will attract different circumstances, and their current situation must and will magically change. The power of gratitude is greater than any negative situation, and there are unlimited ways that the negative situation can change. All you have to do is practice gratitude. All you have to do is practice gratitude and watch the magic take place. Let's take another example. A son whose
Relationship with his father is troubled. Let's take another example. A son whose relationship with his father is troubled. The son feels that no matter what he does, it never seems to be good enough for his father. Usha ji, are you there?
yeah, wait, just passed away. Wait, yeah,
So I'll read till you get to your page.
yeah.
Number one, I am grateful that most of the relationships in my life are really good. Number two, I'm grateful to my father for working hard so that I could have the education that he didn't get to have. Number three, I'm grateful to my father for supporting our family through my childhood because I didn't have a due then, I didn't have a clue then how much hard work and money it took to keep our family going. Yes, Usha ji, are
Yeah,
you ready?
yeah, ready.
Yes.
I am grateful to my father for taking me to basketball every Saturday when I was a child.
Yes, so it's about a son relationship between a son and the father. We all can look into our lives if it is there. There's some indifferences between a son and if you and with your father and you yourself, and you see that what all can you take out, because so remember from your childhood, it's always great to remember your life journey starting from your childhood down to where you are, and find out, it's just an example of a son and father. So it's very beautiful to find out what are the good things that existed. There was a time, right, that there was something good existed between you and your father. So you have to find out that what are the good things that existed right from your childhood till the time you have sat down to write. Yes. Number
Yeah.
5.
Number 5, I am grateful that my father is not as tough on me these days as he used to be in the past. I am grateful that my father cares so much about me because he would not be tough if he didn't care so much. I am grateful that through my relationship with my father, I have learned to have compassion and a greater understanding with my children. I am grateful to my father for showing me how important encouragement is in raising happy, confident children. I am really grateful when I get to laugh with my father. Some people never got to do that because they didn't have a father. And for others who have lost their father, they will never have the chance to laugh with their father again. I am so I am so truly grateful that I have my father because amid the tough times there have been good times and there will be more good times ahead with my father.
So beautiful, so beautiful. The last, the 10th point, that he has already sown the seeds of gratitude, you know. So, whatever is our dream, whatever is our dream, if we actually put ourselves in that space, what our dream is, so whatever we want, you know, the last, the 10th point tells us that, see, what he says is, I'm so truly grateful that I have my father, because amid the tough times there have been good times, and there'll be more good times ahead with my father. So he's already manifested whatever he wanted. So actually he got it also. So, as a result of the son's heartfelt feelings, yes, please, reader, please read ahead.
As a result of the son's heartfelt feelings of gratitude for his father, he will change their relationship for the better. The son changed the way he thinks and feels about his father, which immediately changes what he attracts from his father. Even though the son was being grateful in his mind at an energetic and quantum level, the son's gratitude will have a magical effect on his relationship with his father, provided he maintains his gratitude by the law of attraction. The son must receive far better circumstances with his father, and their relationship must begin to improve immediately. Remember, you can tell your gratitude is working by the way that you feel.
Yes, very, 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 very important. How do you know that the gratitude is working? Some of us have shared in the previous days that I don't know, but there is a feeling of happiness. मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है. I'm in a state of happiness throughout the day. So this is a sign that your gratitude, whatever you are writing, whatever you're saying, whatever you are experiencing, is working. This is the biggest biofeedback which we get, that yes, whatever I am counting my blessings, or you know, even after writing whatever the negative situation and finding out positivities from the situation, you will feel lighter in your heart, you will feel happy, you will feel a joy from within. आपको अपने आप ये महसूस होगा कि something has happened, something has changed. And this is the first step, this is the first step. When you see that you're feeling happy, joyful, you know, there's a feeling of lightness, and then the things around you will also change. How we are going to experience it for ourselves, because the book again and again tells us that get into the practice, you know, rise up, arise, uthiye, utho. Yeah.
Yes,
So the circle has to be started from us. We only start the circle, and it comes back to us. सो जैसे जैसे हम आगे बढ़ेंगे, हमें इसके बारे में और जानने को मिलेगा कि कैसे हम जो जो भी चीज हमारी लाइफ में होती है, चाहे वो नेगेटिव हो या पॉजिटिव हो, वी ओनली स्टार्ट इट. हु इज डूइंग इट? वी ओनली आर डूइंग इट. Yes.
Yeah. You should feel a lot better about the situation after practicing gratitude. The first evidence of gratitude magical power working is your feeling lifting. So when you do feel better about it, you know the situation will improve and the solution will appear. The answer to any negative situation you want to resolve is to focus concentrated gratitude on it until you feel better inside. Then you will see the magic work, its wonder in the outside world.
So it's all about changing your inner world. जैसे ही हम अपने अंदर की दुनिया को चेंज करेंगे, वैसे ही हम देखेंगे कि बाहर की दुनिया चेंज हो गई है. और अगर बाहर की दुनिया में कुछ चेंजेस नहीं आए हैं, then it's an indication that you have to change within. Okay, so everything is so beautifully connected. And who is the best judge? You yourself. हम खुद समझेंगे कि क्या हो रहा है. अगर कुछ बाहर कुछ our internal, the external world is a reflection of the internal world. जो भी बाहर हमारे साथ हो रहा है, जो भी हम महसूस कर रहे हैं, जो भी हम एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं, that is directly proportional to our internal world. Yes, so when we write, when we do this assignment, when we do the assignments every day, actually we are changing our internal world, and henceforth our external world changes on its own. So who is taking the first step? We. And who do we always want to take the first step? The others. So this book is teaching us to just take the first step yourself. Every day, different ways. This book is telling us the same thing. Yes.
I am so grateful for, or I am truly grateful for, and finish the sentence with what you are grateful for.
Yes, so when you start to write, you're going to start your sentence with, I am so grateful for whatever of the negative situation, whatever you're thinking and whatever you sat down to write, or I am truly grateful for. This is how we count our blessings also, na? When we write, all of us are doing this
Thank you.
only. Yes?
Thank you for. We are writing like thank you for.
हाँ, so there were 5 different ways ना जो day 1 day 0 में हमने सीखा था. This was also one of the ways. I am so grateful for, or I am thankful for, or thank you like that. Huh? Yeah, and finish the sentence with what you are grateful for. Yes, you can also.
You can also use Walt Disney's way of using gratitude's magical power if you find it easier.
So there's a third option. So glad that. Glad game खेल सकते हैं. And you know what? You can play this glad game with your entire family. You can just start and you'll see how एक sad moment भी एक happy moment में convert हो जाता है. Yeah.
And finish the sentence with what you are glad about. Once you have listed 10 things you are grateful for, finish the magical way out of negativity. Practice by writing. Thank you for the perfect resolution.
Yes, so let's understand the assignment beautifully and clear all our doubts right now only. That first we write 10 things what we are grateful for that negative situation. जिस भी negative situation पे हमने अपनी finger डाली है, जिसको भी हमने choose किया है, उसके बारे में हमें 10 things लिखना है. Okay, how to start? I am so grateful for whatever. And I'm so truly grateful for. We're going to fill in the blanks. There's a third way which the book has told us. is telling us which the movie which if we are watching it today, and I would suggest all of you, please watch the movie today, Pollyanna. Okay, so that in that how Pollyanna starts to say everything, that I am so glad. Wow, I'm so glad. You can start writing this way also, and finish the sentence with what you're glad about. So just don't end the sentence. You have to write the reason also. The reason is very important because it takes you to the depth of the feeling of that emotion. Okay. And once you have listed 10 things, then what are you supposed to write? If you're writing in Hindi, then you will write आदर्श समाधान के लिए धन्यवाद, 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 or thank you for the perfect resolution. And who's giving this resolution? You yourself. Okay. And who's helping you? Your invisible manager or the universe. You are being helped from within. But first you have to take charge of your life. अपने लाइफ की जो बागडोर है उसे आपको पकड़ना होगा. You have to hold the rein of your life. Huh? Yes?
Correct.
No? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Please read ahead.
And just for today, see if you can get through one day without saying anything negative. It may be a challenge, but see if you can make it through one day. There is an important reason to do this, because most of us have no idea how much we speak negatively, but you will have an idea after watching your words for a day. Remember that negativity and complaint bring more those things, and if you are aware of what you are saying, you can stop and decide if you want the consequences of what you are about to say. Here is a magic lifeline you can use. If you notice yourself thinking or saying something negative, stop immediately and say, but I have to say that I am really grateful for.
Yes.
Finish.
So today is a no complaint day. Even if you are complaining mentally, मन में भी अगर हम complain कर रहे हैं, तो we have to be conscious. You know, consciously you have to stop yourself. So, like what I was sharing in the morning, that when yesterday, when I was with the invisible manager and I was doing my assignment, it was the level of my complaints, the intensity of the complaints actually reduced. So let's, for those of us who haven't done the exercise yesterday, the assignment yesterday, you can start doing right from the time, right now and after the session. And whatever you're doing throughout the day, just be with, be aware that whatever you're complaining, we constantly complain mentally first, and then it comes out in words. So whether it's in words or in feelings, let's stop complaining. And even if we are complaining, so beautiful this book is. It's just the height of humility, that it says that here is a magic lifeline. What is the lifeline? So supposing, for example, I'm saying, oh, it's let's think of a concrete example. uh, yeah. So after, maybe, like morning when I woke up, and I was thinking that, oh, it's such, you know I was having a body ache. Okay, so I would say, oh, I'm having a body ache again, how will I start my day? So this was a complaint I started with, right? But then I have to say that I'm really grateful for all those people who are coming for the Zoom session of the magic book reading session, and then immediately, my body wakes up, you know. So this is how you have to just complete the sentence. If there is any complaint coming in your mind, just just complete the sentence. So it's a mental complaining, or verbally also, if you're saying, then verbally also you just complete the sentence and say, but I'm really grateful for जो भी उस समय आएगा. You have to complete that. So this you don't have to write, you just have to say, you have to speak to yourself mentally also. If you are working in the kitchen and something is not there in the kitchen, or you have a class, and somebody has come late, so supposing the class is scheduled for 5 o'clock and the person has not yet turned by 5:15, so the mind would be complaining, oh, I don't like this, when people land up late. But so just bring that but I know that I'm truly grateful that I have got some time for myself to complete my kitchen work. So this is how you have to go ahead. Take examples in your life today during the day and see for yourself. Yes, please read ahead.
Finish the rest of the sentence with something, anything that you are grateful for. Take this magic lifeline with you and grab a hold of it whenever you need it. And if any little problem or situation appears in the future, remember to put out the embers with gratitude before it grows into a fire. At the same time, you will ignite the magic in your life.
Yes, तो चिंगारी जब जलनी चिंगारी दिखने लगेगी ना, उसी टाइम उसको बुझाना है. फायर को उसी टाइम बुझा देंगे तो फायर, it won't become a wildfire, right? So supposing there's a forest, एक जंगल है, उसमें अगर एक चिंगारी, अगर किसी ने थोड़ी सी एक माचिस जला दी है और उसी टाइम अगर उसे बुझा देंगे, तो पूरी फॉरेस्ट, पूरा जंगल तो नहीं जलेगा ना. तो वैसे ही, the moment you see that chingari, that negative thought, that some negative situation coming in your mind, that moment itself you put a stop to that fire. How? By saying this, but, and also writing out 10 things that you're grateful for that situation. So before it actually starts and becomes bigger, because one problem leads to another problem, right? So before it actually starts, you put an end to it. And at the same time, जब आप end करेंगे तो क्या होगा? You will ignite the magic in your life. So magic will start appearing in your life, and we all have the access to it. So today's session is also a little late. Another 5 minutes of your time I would ask for before we read the magic practice numbers. The
magic practice number 7. The magical way out of negativity. First, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. And at the end of each blessing, say, thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Second, choose one problem or negative situation in your life that you most want to resolve. List 10 things that you are grateful for about the negative situation. Fourth one, at the end of your list, write thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution. Fifth one, just for today, see if you can get through one day without saying anything negative. If you notice yourself thinking or saying something negative, use the magic lifeline, stop immediately and say, but I have to say that I am really grateful for dash. 6. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic word, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Thank you, Usha ji. Thank you for reading today.
Thank you to
Beautiful
everyone.
reading. Yes. So we all have understood the assignment for today. Any doubts, any clearings, anything you want to share before we end today's session? Yes? No? Anybody has everybody understood the assignment, today's assignment? So
Yeah,
as
see
usual, we
Polly
have
in a
to
movie.
count our blessings and we have to say, so tell me who all are getting more than 10 blessings when you are sitting down to write count your blessings, or who all are able to write count your blessings. Is there any?
Yes, I am.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you, Chandrika. What about others?
Only 10. Only 10.
Yeah, only 10.
Okay. And at the
But
end
it
of
takes
it,
time to write 10, It takes time to write.
that's fine. That's fine. We are still on the 7th day. It's very good that you're getting 10 blessings. So what is the goodness you can take from this? At least you are getting 10 blessings, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Everybody is getting this 10 blessings. And by the end of it, how do you feel after writing? How do you feel?
Happy.
Feelings.
Yes, love, happiness,
Smile,
smile,
smile.
And
satisfaction also.
Lovely, lovely. So all this is above the line feelings. Lovely.
I'm feeling so light. बहुत हल्का लगता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है एकदम.
Amazing, amazing. Yes. What about
चीज को
others?
देखने का नजरिया ही चेंज हो गया है, किसी भी चीज को देखने का.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Very good. Yes. Who else wants to say? Okay. So, were you able to check yesterday which feeling, which zone were you in? Were you above the line or below the line? Did anybody's attention go to the feelings yesterday? Did you remember?
No, forget it.
Okay, okay. So you know what you can do is this feeling chart. You can put it at a place where you'll be able to see it quite often. Yeah, and also if you want, you can add colors to your. You can be creative and make it colorful, so that it will come in front of your eyes. Yeah. Yes. So you can do that. You can keep on seeing, and it's a very, very good idea to lift yourself up. If there is anything which you are not liking during the day, somebody has told you something, you are not able to express yourself. For those of us who are living in a joint family, or any other thing, if you are in your job, if you're in your office, and your employee has done something, and you want to you want to express, but you can't express, or maybe your boss has told you something and you want to express but you can't, then how do you, then you at that moment first pause and see what is the feeling, what is your feeling, and how can you lift yourself up from that feeling. So today's chapter has beautifully told us how to lift ourselves up. First step is identify, and then the ways how you can lift yourself up. So the first is you have to write, then you have to just say I am glad. And also if there's a complaint in the mind, then just be aware, be conscious, be present to that complaint and say but whatever. So there are three things what the book has told us today, and we're going to watch the movie Pollyanna. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
and we are going to share tomorrow. And my invitation to all those who are in the session and are not sharing, and who at times you have shared on my personal chat. My invitation to all of you is, please, please, please share in this group session. It makes a difference. Your confidence will go to a different level. And the moment we share, actually we are together. Okay, it's a collective consciousness. We all have come together for a reason. Out of those so many billions of people in the entire world, why only few of us are there together? It's not a coincidence. There is a reason. So we all are evolving, and we all are helping each other evolve. So when we actually share, and we connect with all the beings in this session, we connect with everybody the moment we start sharing. And it's nothing that it's a small sharing or a big sharing. A sharing is a sharing. You can share whatever and be honest. When you are honestly share, you will find a different happiness in your heart. You'll feel beautiful. So let's experience it for ourselves. Okay, so today's session then.
वंदना, बस जस्ट अ मिनट, कल वाला जो तुमने कहा था,
हाँ जी,
तो ये कैसे करने का, आई वुडंट अंडरस्टैंड वो satisfaction, love, we have to write
Can
now.
anybody else show what you have written? How you've done the feeling chart? How you've made the feeling chart? The rest of you, can we have a look?
Please share me.
Okay. When you're showing, just speak something so that you're on the screen.
Yes, I'm on the screen.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, lovely. Yes,
Yeah, can you see
Chandrika,
it?
yes. Yeah,
Can
Uma,
you-
can you speak? Can you speak, Uma?
Can you see it
Yes.
now?
Lovely.
You can
read
see
it?
now?
So, Usha ji, did you understand what they have done?
No, just या तो पिक्चर उतार के एक बार कोई सेंड कर दे अपने टेलीग्राम.
No, I think what she meaning is how to use the chart.
No, she's meaning that how she has written. Is it fine?
Okay.
Yeah. How to write? तो कैसे लिखूं उसको? I couldn't understand.
अच्छा,
Uma?
अभी picture, I'll send the picture.
Yeah. You
Okay.
send the picture. Thank you.
Mine is okay, no? Vandana, I'll send the picture.
Yes, definitely. Chandrika, all of you who have made, you all can send the pictures in our Telegram group.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that we all see what we all have done. Yeah?
Yes.
And for
Yes.
those of us who haven't done, please do it and send it on the group. Yes?
Okay.
Okay, then have a
Bye-bye.
magical day. Thank you for being in the session today. And
Thank you.
have a magical
Thank you.
day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you
Thank you.
tomorrow.
Thank
Thanks a
you.
lot.
Thank
Thank you.